mentors, seek wise counsel. I know we've all heard Miss Christina Eaton preach, and that was one thing that she taught me. Seek wise counsel. I have to have a mentor. Like I have to have, and I have multiple. I have a lot of people that have a long walk in the Lord, and they've been walking with the Lord for many years, and they've been through a lot of things, and I'm like, let me up under your wing right now, because the Lord sent them for the younger, for the people that are less experienced. That's I mean, you know, not just to take, I don't mean it like that, but you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Because, you know, sometimes, and then it says right here, be patient with yourself and those around you, be mindful of how you treat others in this process, because when we are learning mentally, emotional, spiritual, when we are learning, we tend, and I think this comes from also being young, maybe in the Lord, is, you know, sometimes I find myself, I'll kind of be taking a lot. And I don't mean to, it's just I'm learning and I want to learn. But then at some point, you know, we just have to be mindful of, you know, how we're treating other people as we're learning from them, because, you know, they could be sensitive. Like, even though people that we feel like are more experienced than us, I don't want to say above us, because they're not above us, but when they have that experience, we tend to kind of place them on a little bit of a pedestal, don't we, sometimes?
Yes.
Just naturally we do that. And that was something that that's something that I have prayed about, and that you know, it's a continuous prayer for me, because there are so many people that have walked with the Lord.
You tend to call them when you need them,
and they're there.
And they're not.
Yeah. Yeah, and they have the words that you need, that the Lord is speaking through them to get to you. And then sometimes, you know, if they disappoint us, then we're just devastated.
Right.
So we don't want to put them on a high pedestal, because they're in their walk with the Lord just like we're in our walk with the Lord. And, you know, and they're human, just like we're human, and they could make mistakes. In fact, they will make mistakes. We will make mistakes, because we're also, more than likely, everybody in this room is probably in some kind of position of mentoring someone else. Like, you are ministering, because you're a teacher.
That's right.
So yes, you are. Yes, you are. You may not know it, you may not realize it, but yes, you are, because they're looking to you for approval. They're looking at the way you respond to them, the look on your face, the expressions that you have. They're looking to you. So a lot of times we don't realize that we are in that position of mentorship, mentoring someone else, because we are also receiving a mentorship. We're a mentee. Is that how it goes? Mentee. So yeah. Okay. I get long-winded sometimes. So let me get into